Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your corn is in the right growth window, and you mix Salactin immediately. Combine at the label ratio of 1:10 with water and stir thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes so the binder activates. Once mixed, load your sprayer and set nozzle pressure to the recommended range. Aim for even droplets. You'll test spray 5 representative plants to confirm coverage and rule out immediate leaf burn, because early detection avoids crop loss. Once you've confirmed the mix is safe, focus on application technique to ensure uniform protection. Drive or walk at 5 to 7 kilometers per hour and use a nozzle like 110-015 to produce consistent droplets. Make overlapping passes of about 30% and hold the boom roughly 40 to 50 centimeters above the canopy so the paint deposits on both leaves and stalks. If wind is less than 5 kilometers per hour, you'll minimize drift and reduce runoff, which finish by letting the Salactin cure for 24 to 48 hours before any expected rain so the film bonds properly to plant tissue. Inspect adhesion at 48 hours and note coverage uniformity. If you see streaking, immediately lower flow by 10 to 20% and retest on a small sample to correct droplet density. If phytotoxic spots appear, stop and flush the sprayer. Then try a slightly weaker mix, such as 1 to 12, and monitor the test plants before treating the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.